idea of Agora Startup House. Can you tell us what you think about it?
I think it's a great idea. If I was an undergrad, I'd be standing in line to get in. I think it's one of the best science experiments that's going to go on in Berkeley. Putting smart, like-minded people together who want to start companies, magic happens. Food fights, knockout fights, and awesome startups will tend to emerge. And so I have high hopes for the house.
So, from your point of view, what are the major services we should focus on in order to have a successful Agora Startup House?
Lots of caffeine.
Lots of caffeine. All right.
but seriously, and I would add ramen to that as well. But I think startups are not only a bunch of people sharing ideas in a room, but actually understanding the components of what makes a successful startup. And whether there's a methodology or a set of classes or a set of tutorials, I think that would be invaluable for not only just mentoring, but a methodology of here's how we build companies in Berkeley and in this house. I think that would be a wonderful contribution.
Right. Any last words for us, advices to make it happen?
I'll take 10%.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you very much for your time.
Bye-bye.